Special thanks to VICSEED for sending us this tripod stand holder. Not really a lot around the box. VICSEED logo there. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So we have first half, and then second half, and instructions. And that's it for the box. So we have a nice little instruction guide for the stand and also for the remote control, because it comes with a little Bluetooth remote, so that way you can put your phone on the stand and still take your photo or start your video and stop your video, of course. So inside of this little carrying case, just a nice little carrying case, little drawstring here, have, oh, look at that, VICSEED branded packaging. So very nice, very strong looking stand. Wow. So you just loosen this all the way, and then you can of course open this all the way up to be a stand. Now inside of this is this little adapter, which you can install and then put like your phone holder on top, and then that gives you the idea of different angles, so you can get a much higher angle if you need a higher angle, etc. Then in here, everything else. Just a box. They give you a battery as well as the Bluetooth remote, and then this is the pole. So you're able to just loosen these little things here, and you can extend that and extend that so it can go super tall. Nice little hexagon shape here. And lastly is your phone clip. So this would clip onto your phone. You can either screw it on here on the bottom or even here on the back, multiple ways. But very, very nice phone stand. This is perfect for anybody who's doing YouTube or anything like that. These are great for overhead shots, for higher up shots, whatever you may need. And of course, you can use this with it, and that also helps out a lot. So very nice. I've did one of these before. Really like these. I use it honestly a lot for my videos. Thanks again to VICSEED for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.